ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಸೋ ಈಸಿ ಚಾನೆಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ರೋಮಿಯೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ MCQs ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ನಾನು KSABದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಬುಕ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದರಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೋಮಿಯೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್. ಎ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ರೋಮಿಯೋ, ಬಿ ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್, ಸಿ ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್ಸ್ ಫೆಲೋ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಬಿ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ 1 crows, 2 new snow on raven's back, 3 a snowy dove ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿರೋ ಉತ್ತರ ನೋಡೋಣ. ರೋಮಿಯೋಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ನೋ ಆನ್ ರೇವನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ A2ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A2 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? A2 ಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಬಿ ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್ ಅ ಸ್ನೋಯಿ ಡವ್ ಅಂದರೆ B3ಗೆ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ A2 B3 C1 ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್ಸ್ ಫೆಲೋ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಸ್. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಎರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇನ್ ರೋಮಿಯೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್, ರೋಮಿಯೋ ಥಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ದ ಸನ್, ಬಿ ದ ಮೂನ್, ಸಿ ಅ ಸ್ಟಾರ್, ಡಿ ಅ ಸ್ನೋಯಿ ಡವ್. The correct answer to this question is D, a snowy dove. Third question, in Romeo and Juliet, dash is like a rich jewel in an Ethiop's ear. The options are A, Juliet, B, the sun, C, the crow, D, Romeo. Correct answer is Juliet. Fourth question is, in Romeo and Juliet, whose beauty is too rich for use and earth too dear? The options A, crows, B, companions of Juliet, C, Juliet's, D, Romeo's. The answer is C, Juliet's. Now the fifth question, identify the mismatched combination among the following with respect to Romeo and Juliet. The combinations are A rich jewel in an Ethiop's ear, Juliet. B, teaches the torches to burn bright, Juliet. C, day in night, Romeo. D, face of the heaven, dance floor. The correct answer is D, face of the heaven, dance floor is the mismatched combination, because the face of heaven is, what is the correct answer? Sky is the correct answer. Now the sixth question, in Romeo and Juliet, dash is described as gentle, loving and black-browed. Options A, an Ethiop, B, the knight, C, a crow, D, a raven. The correct answer is B, the knight. Knight is described as gentle, loving and black-browed. So 6B is the correct answer. Now let's go to the seventh question. In Romeo and Juliet, dash had never seen true beauty till that night. Options A, Romeo, B, Juliet, C, the sun, D, Ethiop. The correct answer is Romeo. A, Romeo had never seen the true beauty till that night. Eighth question, according to Juliet, after her death, Romeo should be dash. A, hung upon the cheek of the night, B, sent on a raven's back, C, cut out into little stars, D, trooped with crows. The answer is A, C, cut out into little stars. Now, moving to the next question. According to Juliet, the world will be in love with night because the options A, the day is too rich for use and too dear for earth. B, Romeo comes on a raven's back. C, Romeo cut out in little stars makes the face of heaven beautiful. D, Juliet herself hangs upon the cheek of night like a rich jewel. The answer is C, Romeo cut out in little stars makes the face of the heaven beautiful. Question 10. According to the poet, Romeo and Juliet evaluate the following statement. The statement is, world will not pay worship to the sun. The reason is, Juliet's true beauty has made the face of heaven so fine. Options, both statement and reason are correct. Both statement and reason are incorrect. C, statement is correct but reason is incorrect. D, statement is incorrect but reason is correct. Here the statement is correct. That is, what is the statement? The statement says that world will not pay worship to the sun. That is correct. But the reason is incorrect. It is not Juliet's true beauty that has made the face so fine. So it is incorrect. Okay. So the correct answer is C. Statement is correct, but reason is incorrect. Okay, now let's go to the next question. The 11th question. In Romeo and Juliet, the word garish is used to describe dash. A. Son, B. Romeo, C. Ethiop, D. Juliet. The answer is yes, you're right. It is A. Son is the correct answer. Very good. Now, the 12th question. Complete the analogy with reference to Romeo and Juliet. Romeo is to snow on a raven's back is as Juliet is to dash. Answers given are A. Day and night, B. Little stars in the sky, C. A rich jewel in an Ethiop's ear, D. Gorgeous sun in the sky. Now tell me the correct answer. Yes, it is Juliet is a rich jewel in an Ethiop's ear is the correct answer. 12C is the correct answer. Now the 13th question. According to Romeo, Dash teaches the torches to burn bright. A. Juliet, B. Montague, C. Montague, B. Romeo, D. Rosalind. The answer to this question is A. Juliet teaches the torches to burn bright. Now moving on to the 14th question. According to Romeo, Juliet teaches Dash to burn bright. A. Sun, C. Torches, B. Stars, D. Moon. The answer is C. Torches is the correct answer. Juliet torches ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಉರಿಯೋದು ಅಂತ, ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದು ಅಂತ. 15th question. The phrase face of the heaven in Romeo and Juliet refers to. Face of the heaven ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಎ ರೋಮಿಯೋ, ಬಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್, ಸಿ ಸನ್, ಡಿ ಸ್ಕೈ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಕೈ, ಡಿ ಸ್ಕೈ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. 16th one. Juliet's companions are compared to dash. A. Stars, C. Torches, B. Crows, D. Jewels. The correct answer is Juliet's companions ನ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಬಿ ಕ್ರೋಸ್, ಕಾಗೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಿ ಕ್ರೋಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 17ನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. When Romeo shines as stars in the face of the night, the world will dash according to Juliet. Options ಏನಿದೆ? A. Not worship the stars. B. Be in love with night. C. Worship the garish sun. D. Not be in love with night. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಏನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? B. Be in love with night is the correct answer. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. 18ನೇದು 18th ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. 18th question. After Romeo is cut into little stars, all the world will be in love with night and dash in Romeo and Juliet. A. Pay no worship to the garish sun. B. Worship the garish sun. C. Watch Juliet's place of dance. D. Feel blessed by Juliet's touch. The answer is A. Pay no worship to the garish sun is the correct answer. ಮುಂದಿಂದು 19th ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. The word measure in the phrase the measure done stands for dash. measure ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? A. night, B. love, C. day, D. dance. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ D. dance is the correct answer. measure ಅಂದರೆ dance. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೂಡ ಅಬೌಟ್ measure. Complete the analogy with reference to Romeo and Juliet. Okay, measure done ಅಂತಂದರೆ measure done is to dance ended. measure done ಅಂದರೆ dance ended. face of the heaven ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? face of the heaven is to A. Romeo's charm, B. the sky, C. Juliet's beauty, D. garish sun. The answer, correct answer is B. the sky is the correct answer. Now let's go to the 21st question. According to Juliet, dash is referred to as day in night. The options are A. dove, B. Ethiop, C. Romeo, D. raven. The correct answer is Romeo is referred to as day and night. Option C is the correct answer. Now the 22nd question, Romeo does not compare Juliet to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, does not ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಬರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟಾರ್ಚಸ್, ಎಸ್. ಸ್ನೋಯಿ ಡವ್, ಎಸ್. ರಿಚ್ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲ್, ಎಸ್. ನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ನೋ, ನೋ. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ನೋ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ರೋಮಿಯೋ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಹರ್ ಟು ನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ನೋ. 23rd ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ಇದು ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Okay, you should be very careful while answering such questions. Juliet does not describe the night as dash. A. Garish, B. Loving, C. Gentle, D. Black-browed. The answer is A. Garish. 23rd answer is A. It's the correct answer. Now, the 24th question. Romeo feels that he had not seen dash until he met Juliet. The options given are A. A snowy dove, B. True beauty, C. Black-browed night, D. Ethiop's ear. The answer here is, the correct answer is, he had not seen true beauty until he met Juliet. B. 24th, B is the correct answer. Now moving on to the next question, that is the 25th question. Juliet hangs upon the cheek of night as A. Dove, B. Star, C. Snow, D. Rich jewel. The answer to this question is D. Rich jewel. 26th question. According to Romeo, whose beauty is too rich for use? The options are A. Ethiop's, B. Sun's, C. Juliet's, D. Romeo's. And the answer to this question is Juliet's. C is the correct answer. Now the 27th question. In Romeo and Juliet, the word garish is used to describe A. Romeo, B. the sun, C. an Ethiop, D. Juliet. The correct answer is B. the sun. Now the 28th question. According to Juliet, the world will be in love with night because. Options A. Juliet hangs upon the cheek of night, B. Romeo cut out in little stars make the face of heaven beautiful, C. Romeo comes in night on a raven's back, D. the night is too rich for use and too dear for earth. So the world will be in love with night because Romeo, B is the correct answer. Romeo cut out in little stars make the face of the heaven beautiful is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. 29ನೇದು. Choose the odd combination. Okay. Options are, the odd combinations are A. Face of the heaven, sky. Correct ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು. It's a correct combination. C. For earth to dear, sun ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ನೋಯಿ ಡವ್, ಎಸ್. ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಡೇ ಇನ್ ನೈಟ್, ರೋಮಿಯೋ ಸರಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಸಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ for earth to deer, sun ಅನ್ನೋದು odd combination. The odd combination is for earth to deer, sun is the odd combination, C. Okay. Now let's go to the next 30th question. Choose the statement which is not true. Be careful. Okay. Pay heed. Attention ಕೊಡಿ. ಸರಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಓದಿ. Not true ಯಾವುದು? Romeo compares Juliet to a snowy dove. That is true. Juliet's companions are compared to crows. True. Juliet calls Romeo a day and night. True. Juliet describes night as garish. Does she describe night as garish? No, it is false. She describes what? The sun as garish. The garish sun. Okay. So D is the answer to 30th question. Now the last question, the 31st question is completing the analogy. Okay. Here, Ethiop's ear is to dash is as a rich jewel is to Juliet. Ethiop's options are A. Romeo, B. Crows, C. Cheek of night, D. New snow. Here, the answer to this question is what? Ethiop's ear is cheek of night as rich jewel is to Juliet. Okay. Now we have come to the end of this MCQ for the first chapter, and all these questions covers almost all the questions from this one. If ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಸಮ್ಮರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಲಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲೇಲಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತು 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗೂ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Do subscribe the channel and share it with your friends, students.